Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. If you guys are new, hey boo, welcome. So today we are making some elderberry syrup. So elderberry syrup is really good. So if you have flu, if you have cold-like symptoms or anything, it boosts your immune system and it goes ahead and knocks out cold and flu. The ingredients that we are using today, we are using 2 sticks of Ceylon cinnamon, you guys, not cassia, Ceylon. Then we are using a cup of elderberry syrup. We're going to be using a half a cup of marshmallow root. We are using 1/3 of lemon peel, and we are using 1/3 of ginger root. All right, so then we are going to go ahead and using 4 to 5 cups of distilled water or spring water. I use distilled. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our ingredients. Then we're going to get our mixture to a boil. Then we're going to turn it down. Once it starts boiling, then we're going to turn it down, and then we are going to allow it to simmer for 40 to 45 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and strain everything. And if y'all watch my how-to videos by now, then y'all know I am notorious for spilling everything everywhere. Big on making messes. Like I always say in all of my herb videos, make sure y'all go put the herbs back to the earth. Either y'all dig it up, some dirt, and then put all the herbs in there, or just go outside and just throw it out. Give it back to Mother Earth. Okay, so after you let it cool down some, we're going to go in and put a cup of raw honey in here. And just to let y'all know, all these herbs and all of the honey that y'all see on my YouTube channel, they're all located on my website. Herbs, honey, sea moss, mushrooms, all can be found on my website. Now we're just going to go ahead and give the sea moss a good stir. Make sure the honey is thoroughly mixed inside of our mixture. We're going to go ahead and grab our mason jars. I have 3 8-ounce mason jars that this does fill up. As you can see, I did have some leftovers. A 4th mason jar was definitely needed, but all I had was 3 at the moment, so I just went ahead, put the top on, popped these bad boys inside the refrigerator, and I would suggest you take 1 tablespoon a day and 1 teaspoon for kids a day. And make sure y'all click the link in the bio to get your elderberry syrup kit.